Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the highest name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Welcome to the video lectures. This is your English teacher Sahrish Nawaz, Class 5, Subject English, Final Term. This is lecture number 9, Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. I hope students, you all are doing well at your home and enjoying good health. These are the contents of this lecture. First there will be pre-reading, then reading of unit number 20, then we will do words and meanings and words sentences. Dear students, I want all of you to be attentive and ready. Take all the necessary stationery items with you, like your book, Oxford Reading Circle, your notebook, pen, pencils, etc. Today we will discuss unit number 20, Fly Back to Me, page number 168 to 174. Page number 168. Dear students, you have to read the unit thoroughly by yourself. I'll just explain the main points or key points of each page. Starting from page number 168, here we come to know that Jerry has many pigeons in his loft. He is feeding them. Jerry is not happy that day because his best pigeon suddenly disappears. Now students, on this page we come to know that Jerry is a young boy. एक young boy है, उसके पास बहुत सारे pet pigeons हैं और वो उनको feed करा रहा है with a scrap of corn. और हमें ये भी पता चलता है कि Jerry is not happy that day क्योंकि उसका सबसे best pigeon जो है वो अचानक कहीं गायब हो गया है. Page number 169. He names it Wonder. It came one day out of the blue. His mother also likes it. Now we are told that he names that pigeon Wonder after the name of an aeroplane that he has seen in a magazine. It is not his pet pigeon, rather it is a stranger which came one day unexpectedly. The phrase out of the blue means unexpectedly. His mother also likes that pigeon, though she does not like any other pigeon in her yard. It is a very beautiful pigeon with black tail and pink feet. Now we are told about the pigeon that it is a very beautiful pigeon. The shades of blue, green and fawn are blended on its breast. Its tail is black and white and its feet are pink. Page number 170. His mother is also anxious. She tells him that one of the boys may have hit it with a catapult. Now we are told कि उसकी मदर भी बहुत परेशान है वंडर के बारे में और वो जेरी को बताती हैं कि हो सकता है किसी बॉय ने उसको हिट कर दिया हो कैटपल्ट से. जेरी फील्स अनईजी आफ्टर हियरिंग दिस. और जब जेरी अपनी मदर के ये वर्ड सुनता है तो वो बहुत अनईजी फील करता है. पेज नंबर 171. For Jerry has a catapult. He has made it himself. Here we are told why he feels uneasy after listening to his mother's words, because he has a catapult and he has made it with his scout knife and his mother does not know about it. 2 days ago he shot a dove with it. Here we are told that 2 days ago he hit a dove with his catapult. This is page number 172. He feels glad but does not bring the bird home as his mother will scold him. अब हमें ये पता चलता है कि when he hits a dove, he feels very happy. He thinks himself to be a hero. He thinks as if he has made a grade. लेकिन वो उस bird को अपने घर लेके नहीं आता because he fears that his mother will definitely scold him. He is still worried about Wonder and he is still thinking about Wonder. वो अभी तक Wonder के बारे में सोच रहा है Where has it gone? Why it has not come back? Page number 173. He is not sure whether he shot a dove or a pigeon. He gets more perplexed at this thought. Now we are told, students, that he is not sure whether he shot a dove or a pigeon 2 days ago because he does not bring the bird home because of his mother. तो उसे इस बात की श्योरिटी भी नहीं है कि उसने एक डव को हिट किया था या उसने एक पिजन को हिट किया था. And he also thinks, why not wonder? It can be wonder. और वो ये भी सोचता है कि हो सकता है कि उसने mistakenly wonder को ही हिट कर दिया हो. And after this thought, he gets more worried. He looks at the sky, and to his surprise, he watches Wonder coming down with an injured wing. After that, we are told that he goes to the pigeon roost, he feeds the pigeon with scraps of corn, and he is walking in a trance. In a sleep-like condition, he is walking and he is thinking about Wonder. Then suddenly he looks at the sky, और वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान होता है जब वो देखता है कि Wonder is coming down with an injured wing. Page number 174. This is the last page of this unit. He is overjoyed. He realizes his mistake and quickly breaks the catapult. Here we are told, students, that when Wonder comes back, he gets overjoyed. वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो जाता है. He gets very happy. He realizes his mistake. उसे अपनी गलती का एहसास हो जाता है. And he quickly breaks the catapult. And he takes out the catapult from his pocket and he breaks it. Dear students, take out your notebooks and note down these words and meanings. The first word is loft, which means a box-like structure, an upper room for the pigeons. Number 2, unwarily, which means unaware, not knowing, not alert. Number 3, trance, which means sleep-like state or dream-like condition. Number 4, suspended, which means to stop, to hang for a while. Number 5, crazily, which means unsoundly or wildly. Words, sentences. Dear students, these sentences are just for your guidance. I encourage you to make sentences from your own. The first word, loft. Jerry opened the door of the pigeon loft. Number 2, unwarily. He walked unwarily into the trap. Number 3, trance. She was looking out of the window in a trance. Number 4, suspended. The player was suspended from the team. And the last, crazily. The kids were running crazily around the swing. Home assignment. Dear student, this is your home task. You have to read unit number 20 thoroughly by yourself, and you have to note down the words meaning and word sentences in your notebooks. Then you have to learn the words meanings and sentences and write them again in your notebook and get it checked by some elder. I hope, students, you have understood the lecture very well. If there is any query, you may ask me anytime. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.